Hi everyone. This video is another case example in how we use the all roads lead to your business as a mechanism to move traffic from third parties to your business. As you can see from this presentation, we've used this several times. We call this the downward spiral, the race towards zero. In this example, this particular business owner, when you find them on search, all roads lead to Grubhub. When you find them on Yelp, the road leads to Grubhub. Or the road leads to the website, from search to the website, and from the website to Grubhub. So what is happening is that through search, review sites, and social media, all the traffic that comes to your business, picture that as a consumer walking into your business, being pushed away to somebody else, and you would never do that. In the digital world, this is exactly what's happening. And when that occurs, your profits get immediately eroded by the percentages being charged by any of these third parties. And our objective is to use our solution, our all-in-one marketing and loyalty and online ordering solution, as a mechanism to bring those customers back. And we do that by taking those arrows that are going towards those third parties, breaking them, and using social media, review sites, and search to bring the customers back. So in one example, with reversing the spiral, we introduce the opportunity to have an online website that we would create for the business that drives the consumer to order from their ordering system. In addition, our award-winning app does the exact same thing, which lets people know that online ordering is present and drives people to the online ordering system. In store, we provide materials to the business so that they can tell consumers, either through table tents or through box toppers or cards, that they currently have an online ordering system, try it out, and save. On the Yelp side, Yelp keeps very close control because they have their own interests in online ordering. However, they provide the opportunity to use the website, the pictures, and the menu to drive traffic away from Yelp and into the business. And I love nothing more than clicking on a link inside Yelp and it says, "We're rerouting you, sorry to see you go." Well, basically what's happening is you're basically going to your own revenue stream versus pushing money through them, which is great. From a search perspective, our site will rank high on Google, but in addition we use the Google business listing, the website, the menu, the ordering to drive traffic back to the site of your business. On Facebook, much of the same. We add a button to the Facebook site. We link the Shop Now back to the menu. We provide a link that can be used in posts to come back to your menu, and the About Us also goes back to your menu. So in the end, all roads lead back to your business, whether it's search, review, social media, in-store, or in-app. All roads lead back to the business. And that means dollars, and that means also customer information. And the results we've seen are astounding, where with 0 per order costs, 0 per click cost, activity increases, orders increase, profits increase at a dramatic rate. We have a questionnaire that we utilize that sits outside the platform. There is a step-by-step mechanism to create and set up the marketing loyalty components, step-by-step to get the menu and website updated, and also there's a step-by-step set of instructions to ensure the links are all correct on the website, to ensure that the Google listing is tuned, to ensure that Yelp is tuned, Facebook is tuned, and any other site that you have, whether it's a Twitter site or a travel site or a other directory, ways to have them point back to your online ordering as well. Let's go through a quick example that we found today. So back in the middle of last month, so it's been just over a month now, we brought on a pizzeria, and the only thing we did other than linking Google and Yelp was to change a button on their website, order online button, and an order now button from Slice, which is a provider of online ordering for $2 an order, to our menu. One simple change. If you look at the Slice ordering dashboard this month versus before, let's look at their insights. What you see here, very, very telling. In the last 30 days since that button changed, total visitors to Slice has decreased by 72%. Total website visits to the Slice website from that button has decreased by 84%. Even visits to the store within the actual Slice app have decreased by 16%. So from an ordering perspective, this business's orders must be going somewhere, and they are. They're going to their system. So where Slice used to provide between 90 and 110 orders a month in August, September, October, now Slice is providing, I had shown it earlier, 26 orders in the last 30 days, whereas over 80 are coming through their new online ordering system. And keep in mind, they get all the customer information, no-nos, through this system versus Slice. That one simple change. So this is an example of how, just using one of the channels, how the third party no longer gets that customer and that revenue. And for those 100 orders, leaving processing fees out, the cost was $200. The cost for this system is significantly less, and now we encourage even further growth beyond the 100 mark at this business. Here's an example of October through November, a 7-day Slice report, 15 orders, so that's 60 a month. Whereas now they're getting much less over a 30-day period, as shown by their by the interface. In fact, this 15 orders resulted in $538 in sales at a cost of $50 to deliver that value. And now they're at, in the last 7 days, $131. So they've decreased by a factor of 3. Whereas looking at the restaurant ordering system through us, let's look at the last 30 days, 28 days. By week, they're going up. So an increase from 6 to 8, which is 25%, to 14, which is another 60 to 70%, to 17, which is another 30%, and obviously this week just started, so the orders are low. It'll probably crank up to about 20. So much better for the business, works all on its own, and very quickly generates additional income and profits and removes the third party from prominence at the business. So stop the downward spiral, reverse the flow, increase your profits. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.